So guys, see how I separated the shorter part from the longer side. When you bring in your wool, you separate it like there's a longer part and this is the shorter part. See how I separate it? This is how I'm going to braid the hair. Guys, can you see it now? Here there so that they can see it very well. Okay. So I'll put it like, place it like this and then use it to braid the hair. Can you see it, guys? Braid it this way. You see it? So keep your eye so that you can see it very well. Can you see it? Then after braiding, I take the two shorter side of it. So let me keep it like this. This is the shorter side. I will take 4 strands from here and plait the braid a little just to cover it. Don't make it too tight, guys, for your baby girl. Can you see what I just did? So I covered the braid a little, add it back to the longer part of it. Then you start twisting. Did you see it, guys? Did you see what I'm doing? You twist. Keep twisting it like this, guys. That's how you make it. Twist. Keep twisting. Can you see it, guys? You twist. You plait. You twist. You plait. You twist. So right now I will release the hair, the base, because it's turning along with me. Can you see it? You twist and then you plait. You twist. So I'll just do it when I get to where the length of her hair, as you can see. Then I'll plait the tip and tie it. You twist and then you plait. 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 So I'll release the base again by turning the head because it's turning along with me. Can you see it, guys? So twist and plait. I've gotten to where the length of her hair is. So I will now take from the long part of it, take some strands, then plait and then tie. Hope you saw how I did it, guys. I hope you saw how I did it. Did you see how I tied? So yes, this is it, guys. This is it. Can you see how beautiful it is? So yes, guys. So guys, I'll continue with the hair. So I continued with the same process. That's how I'm gonna make the hair. Yeah. And on this medium, I want to say a big thank you to you, my returning subscribers. Those of you that always come back to watch my video, I appreciate you a lot. I say big thank you to you for always stopping by. Yeah, please don't stop watching. Try and watch till the end. And if you enjoy watching, give me a very big thumbs up and share me out if you can. Leave me a comment in the comment section so I'll know that you stopped by. And yes, if you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you. You are the right place. On this channel, I teach on how to braid and a lot of hairstyles that you're going to learn how to make from this channel. I also do cooking vlog on this channel. So continue to stay glued to this channel. And if you have not subscribed, it's high time you did so because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. Yeah, hit on that subscribe button and also hit on the post notification bell there. That will enable you to get notified whenever I post a new video. Leave me a comment in the comment section if you enjoy watching this video. and give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up, and you're gonna love this channel. Yes, guys, as you can see, I continue to twist and plait, twist and plait, twist and plait till I achieve the goal of making my pretty girl look beautiful more. So yeah, that's how I continue to make the hair with the same process. So guys, let's continue. Guys, isn't it beautiful? You agree with me that this hair is really beautiful. And trust me if I tell you that it lasts longer than the ordinary braid. Yeah, it keeps looking new every blessed day. So yeah, why not try this out? It's really beautiful, guys. Yeah, guys, you agree with me that this hair is really beautiful. It is beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see it? Yeah, it's really, really, really beautiful. And one thing about this hair is that it's it's new every blessed day. It doesn't just get old. It lasts longer than the normal braids that you know. This shine just keeps the shine just is just there. The shine is just there. It doesn't get old easily. Can you see? Can you see, guys? So guys, if you have watched till this moment, it means yeah, you appreciate what I did in this video, you appreciate this hairstyle, and yeah, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe so you always get notified whenever I post a new video like this. And leave me a comment in the comment section below, and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. Chinelo signing out. Bye bye, guys, and thanks for watching.